What role does the immune system play in lung cancer metastasis? Imagine your immune system as a vigilant security team constantly patrolling your body for troublemakers. In the case of lung cancer, this team plays a surprisingly complex role in whether the cancer stays put or spreads to other parts of the body. When lung cancer begins, immune cells like T cells, natural killer cells, and dendritic cells try to recognize and attack the abnormal cells. This process, called immunosurveillance, helps keep early tumors in check. But as the cancer progresses, the tumor cells develop clever ways to hide from or suppress the immune response, allowing them to survive and eventually spread. When lung cancer spreads or metastasizes, cancer cells travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic system to distant organs such as the brain, bones, liver, adrenal glands, or even other parts of the lungs. The immune response at these sites varies. For example, metastases in the lungs often have more immune activity, with immune cells present and active. However, in organs like the brain or liver, the immune environment tends to be more suppressive, making it harder for the immune system to attack the cancer effectively. Even in lung metastases, the tumor can create an environment that limits immune activity, helping the cancer to grow and spread. Certain immune-related mechanisms actually support metastasis. Tumor cells can recruit immune cells like macrophages and myeloid-derived suppressor cells that, instead of fighting the cancer, help it grow. These cells can promote inflammation and suppress the body's natural anti-tumor defenses, creating a friendly environment for cancer cells to settle and thrive in new locations. The primary tumor can also send signals that prepare distant organs for metastasis, creating what is called a pre-metastatic niche. This niche is characterized by inflammation and immune suppression, making it easier for cancer cells to survive and establish themselves once they arrive. The immune system's activity at metastatic sites also influences how well treatments work. For example, tumors with more immune cell infiltration tend to respond better to immunotherapies like immune checkpoint inhibitors. These drugs help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. But the success of such treatments depends on the immune environment of each metastatic site, which can vary greatly. In summary, the immune system plays a dual role in lung cancer metastasis. It can act as a defender, fighting to prevent the spread of cancer, but it can also be manipulated by cancer cells to support their growth and survival. Understanding these interactions is key to developing better treatments and improving outcomes for patients with metastatic lung cancer. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options.